You turn a puddle into oceans. You set the galaxies in motion. You see the magic in a single flake of snow.
So I had this awesome fort built, the last snowstorm.
You turn the sidewalk
we got a
cracks
warm
to
spell,
canyons.
and this is what's left of my
You are a
fort.
fire-breathing dragon. You follow treasure maps into the wild unknown.
You on?
You on?
I wanna go with you.
Are you fucking on? I'm on. Okay.
I wanna go.
Okay. So
A little too much crack.
Okay. Hey everyone, welcome to Cooking with Rick and Rye, episode 21, and it's a chili episode.
It is
Chili.
So we're gonna make some chili. Richard's gonna do chili,
Chili.
and I'm doing
Not
chili.
27 kinds of chili. One chili. You're
One
doing
chili.
a different chili.
I'm doing a basic chili, kind of redone because I didn't want to do 4 hours of cooking fucking top roast. So
Yeah, so I'm just doing regular chili as well. So this is just chili. 2 kinds of chili. We'll try them afterwards. Rye's gonna do some cornbread. I'm gonna do some big crostini with these little guys, and we're gonna enjoy some chili today. So let's go, Rye. Cheers.
let's fucking chili it up.
Cheers it up before we chili it up.
You sing a song and I will listen. We'll make a dance floor in the kitchen. I can't believe the way your laughter fills the room.
What was that? That was your finger?
I wanna go with you on a grand adventure.
So if you take a look at my tomatoes, I have San Marzano tomatoes. Just use 2 cans. And I like to just pull them apart with my fingers. Now I shouldn't be wearing a white shirt. Squished in there, separate them all up. And then you can take out some of the ends, like this. You don't want these ends. Take them out, put them aside, throw them in the garbage, and they won't break down properly in your chili.
The world through your eyes. Through your eyes.
I also smell onions.
You don't smell celery?
No.
And you want to use lots of salt. You want to break down your onions, get the water out of them.
With you on a grand adventure. I'm along for the ride, and I feel it all again.
His name is Richard. I'm sweating out fucking onions and garlic. Look at that shit.
You want the temperature of the oven up to 450, right?
Yeah, not yet though. I'll do it when I'm ready.
Okay. So depending on the spice level of your chili, you can take these out, you can leave them in. Jalapenos aren't hot to me, so I like to leave them in, but there are people that just, it's too hot for them, so they take them out.
The world through.
So I don't make mine really tiny. I just do like a medium dice, because again, chili, you're just gonna let sit, and it will all come down. So most of these things will just meld into the ground beef.
You turn a puddle into oceans. You set the galaxies in motion. You see the magic in.
So just get your butter. So my pan is hot. I don't want to burn the butter, but that's why I use it at the point where the onions are translucent, and then I'm going to throw my beef in there. So it adds a little bit of fat because my beef is, as you can see, it's extra lean. So
Maps into the wild unknown. I wanna go with you.
break this right up, and it will help it brown a little bit better as well. Now at this point, I like to add a little bit of my spice, so probably half. You see as it browns, just give it a good stir.
On a grand adventure with you by my side, 'cause I love to see.
So our ground beef, mostly done. So now we're gonna add our tomatoes. And first you want to mix the tomatoes up. If you add the kidney beans right now, you'll just smush all the kidney beans. So
Smoosh. We go smoosh it.
now we've got the tomatoes mixed in. I love kidney beans. I had a lot of kidney beans. Fine.
I can't believe the way your laughter fills.
Take a look at my chili.
Looks good.
That's all beer.
Oh, it's got beer in there.
No tomato, no nothing. The liquid's beer.
Oh, really?
It's just beer
Okay.
with tons of chili sauce and cumin.
Okay.
For the ride, and I feel
There
it
goes
all
character.
again.
Garlic crostini. So we got garlic in there. Want to add Malden sea salt. So Malden salt will help break up the garlic a bit. Then from there, we're gonna add a good chunk of butter. And that is going to be for your garlic bread. Alright, so there is your garlic butter. So it's garlic, salt, and unsalted butter. And this is my awesome spreader, so it's great because it just gets in there and spreads everything.
On a grand adventure, I'm along for the ride, and I feel it all.
Fuck me.
Right, you love butter, don't you?
No, I fucking. This happened when we.
Take it and
no,
just drop it.
when we did the
Just do it
fucking
and drop
edible one. It fucking still gets on your fingers.
Okay. So you see everything is starting to melt in. It's still got little garlics in there, so it's still got a little while to go, and it is way too much water in it right now.
Okay. So basically everything you saw Richard just say. Same thing.
Ditto.
Nailed it. Oh, thanks for helping me stir.
I'm helping you stir.
2 woods in 1 pot.
Butter up, nice and melty.
Okay, so I made cornbread, so this is my milk. Okay, so that's good. Obviously gonna be my wet.
Okay.
Oh, and I spilt milk in that one. Fuck, now they're both wet.
Stir it, stir it.
I need a bowl to mix my eggs in.
Oh, fuck.
Okay, now I need another bowl.
What the fuck?
I need another bowl.
For what?
Because I gotta take this and transfer it with a special powder and then put it in that bowl. And then I gotta do a special whip on that before I bring it over to this bowl.
Okay, how big do you want your bowl?
I need one about that big.
Okay, fine. Okay.
I'm kidding, I just want to steal shit you get me. Slightly beaten, slightly, not full. Okay, slightly, that's good.
Not slightly. It's mixed. Look.
Dump that in there. Yeah.
And I feel it all again.
How do I preheat this oven?
Okay. What temperature you want?
450.
With you by my side, 'cause I love to see the world through your eyes.
Okay.
Throw it in. Bottom.
Okay, so now I gotta mix all my
Dry.
flour, salt, baking powder,
Cornmeal.
cornmeal, sugar.
You want me to stir it, chef?
Yes.
Dump it.
Yeah, and then you can stir it up. I like this. Look at Richard's learning. He's learning backyard country cooking. You're not a good fucking mixer. You make it
Look at
splash
that.
everywhere.
All right, there is Rye's mixture.
Yeah.
Okay, add the jalapenos.
Hey, those would be good if we cooked them in the oven.
Look at that.
Dude, they'd be like fucking
They would
corn
be good.
dogs.
Corn dogs. Jalapeno dogs.
You want to try?
We should try.
Okay, let's do it.
On a grand adventure with you by my side, 'cause I love to see the world through your eyes, through your eyes.
Yeah, I think this is gonna be good. Maybe we should have fucking egg dipped them or something.
No, those look great.
I didn't see till I saw it with you on a grand.
Good rye.
Okay, so we're up temperature. Oh, listen to that.
Got it?
Okay, now I gotta keep track of time.
How much time?
Grand adventure with you by my
It's great. Look at those nice pieces of garlic in there. Celery in there. Still not thick enough? A little bit longer.
Mine's doing fucking great. I'm actually gonna bring mine down a bit. Chug 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 chili! Chili!
Good. You know what it smells like? The beef you put on tacos.
Kinda. Well,
You just get tacos and that's the
do you,
beef
do you know why? Because there's cumin in it.
and chili powder.
And chili powder.
Yeah, I can
but
smell chili powder.
it's the cumin you smell in taco seasoning.
Yeah, yeah.
Oh, that paso. Taco Bell?
You see the magic in a single flake of snow.
The fuck?
Don't undo the oven.
I know, that's the worst part.
Don't undo the oven.
They gotta have like a glass panel here that you can look through too.
Right here.
Looks good. Where's the toothpick?
That's done. That's done. You can tell it. It's got a sponge to it. Look at that. That's done, Rye. Look. Lucky I know what's filming.
Oh, fuck, you have a hole in your fucking glove. Cock suck. Look at the fucking mark on my hand. Fuck, between burning me and trying to feel how hot the fucking glove is just from
It's
it.
hot.
Fuck. Fucking between small knives, shitty things, this, that. Now you give me fucking gloves with fucking holes in them to fucking boot. Right in the spot where you're gonna grip it too. On this fucking 300 fucking pound.
You turn
Okay,
a moment
let's get these
to
off.
a memory. You are the medicine
One
that God
touch.
knows I need. I'm better every day I get to spend
Ow.
with you. You sing a
Yes,
song and
That looks good, Rye. See, it's perfectly done. All right, you did a great job. That's a good cornbread, Rye.
Oh, chili. Oh, that's
That is good cornbread. Cha 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 chili is almost done.
I wanna go with you. I wanna go with you on a grand adventure. I'm along for the ride.
Okay, Rye, let's get going on this.
okay.
For the very first time.
Run that room.
You ready, Rye? That looks awesome.
I'm ready.
So, Rye's chili, cowboy, Texas.
Cowboy chili, Texas red,
Cornmeal.
with ground beef.
That looks great. And I have made garlic bread with my chili on top.
Nice, looks good.
So, kind of like a
Appetizer chili.
appetizer chili.
That's what it's like. It's
All
like
right.
having a chili appetizer.
Okay.
Because you can pick it up. It's like a bruschetta, but with chili.
So let's try yours.
Shit.
Love the cornbread.
How do you...
You do a cheers.
Holy fuck. Holy fuck. Holy fuck. This is going bad. Cheers,
Here.
quick. Oh, that bread's good.
It's a little bit hot.
Good.
These little cornbread jalapenos. Cheers again. Oh, good. Okay.
Wait. Where'd my spoon go?
Right there.
No, I didn't place it on there.
I don't know. What do you want?
Fuck, where'd my spoon go?
What spoon? That's a fresh spoon.
Where was the one I was eating? I want one more bite before I say bye.
You alright?
That brought fucking tears to my eyes. Dude, this cornbread is killer. Look at my eyes. That's how hot this shit is right now. I don't know how fucking you're doing. Okay.
You okay?
Good. Yeah.
Alright. Cheers, right? Episode
Cheers.
21.
Episode 21.
What's it called?
Chili.
Thanks for watching. See you next week.
I wanna go with you. I wanna go with you on a grand adventure. I'm along for the ride, and I feel it all again for the very first time on a grand adventure with you by my side. 'Cause I love to see the world through your eyes.
Shit.
You turn a moment to a memory. You are the medicine that God knows I need. I'm better every day I get to spend with you. You sing a song and I will listen. We'll make a dance floor in the kitchen. I can't believe the way your laughter fills the room. I wanna go with you. I wanna go with you on a grand adventure.